Welcome! In front of me I have INFINIX Watch 1 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it of course, and here you will see the option called restart. Tap on it, tap on the checkmark to confirm, and wait until the rebooting process is complete. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.